I am obsessed with this packaging. Oh my gosh. And let's just open this up. That is how the palette looks like. Very, very beautiful. And it has a pink, blue, green shift to it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and in today's video I have a very exciting haul for you guys, and it's a makeup haul. If you guys are into makeup, then you are going to love this haul. A lot of different countries can relate to it because the products are available from Aliexpress as well. So it's just like you can buy it online. So I have two palettes to show you guys. The first one is a highlight palette. It's from the brand You Can Be. I am obsessed with this packaging. Oh my gosh, that is so cute and colorful. Holographic. You know that I'm a big fan of holographic packaging. Yeah, and this just calls my name. This one is the Crystal Sugar Glow Kit. I am just so obsessed with the packaging. Look at that, so cute. I love everything about it except for the name Glow Kit, just because I wish they came up with another name. You guys know that Anastasia Beverly Hills use the name Glow Kit for most of their highlighter palettes. It says here it's a Crystal Sugar Glow Kit. A perfect palette that looks like it was crafted by a shimmering sugar plum fairy. Okay, so You Can Be Crystal Sugar Glow Kit features 3 stunning shades of ethereal illuminating powder, which can be applied dry or with a dampened brush or makeup sponge for dramatic after-hours luminosity. And it says on the box the ingredients as well. So, yep. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks like inside. The font kind of reminds me a lot of Kat Von D, and these are the colors. They actually look duochrome, so I'm really excited to do a review on this. The next one is this eyeshadow palette from the brand DGFAO. I don't know, like DGAFO. I don't know how you're supposed to read that. I really love the galaxy print. And it has pink, purple, blue, and stars, so that just really caught my attention. So, but aside from the packaging, let me just remove the sleeves. So this really helps, and I never throw these. I always keep these because it just really protects the palette. And it's just in a cardboard packaging. And let's just open this up. That is how the palette looks like. Very beautiful colors in this palette. Look at that. It has a strong scent that I don't like. It smells like plastic. I don't know. I just actually expect a lot from this palette since the shimmers look so beautiful and the mattes are like, you have your transition colors here, and as well as a dark brown to darken up the look. Really excited to try this. So the next thing that I got are these colored mascaras. I got a purple one, a green one, and blue. So the reason why I ordered these is because I just can't find any colored mascaras out there. Like, it's so difficult to find colored mascaras here in the Philippines, like in department stores, in malls. These mascaras remind me a lot of my Christian Dior Addict lipstick. So this is my Dior Addict lipstick, and let me just show you guys how very similar the packaging is. So yeah, this is my Christian Dior lipstick, and this is the colored mascara that I ordered. And look at that, they're very similar, and I think this was inspired by the Dior Addict lipsticks. I really love the fact that they're similar because this will look nice on my makeup table, definitely. Going back to my story, I would always wear blue mascara. I feel like at that time, if I'm not wearing a blue mascara, my makeup is not complete. Like, I can't leave the house without wearing a blue mascara. There's just a time of my life when I had that idea. For me, it was normal, but I didn't even know that a lot of people notice it. Okay, so let me just show you guys this one. So I don't want to open all of these because these are still sealed. So I'm just going to show you guys one color. And so this is a 01, this is the blue one, and look at that. That is super blue. So I actually tried this as soon as I got it. I really like it. It really shows up. It's not one of those like toned down blue mascaras. It's like in your face blue, which is exactly what I'm looking for. The next two things are from the brand FOCALLURE, and I've just been a big fan of FOCALLURE. I love their eyeshadow palettes. I love their makeup products. I think that they're amazing. These are the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. So I have two shades. The first one is 08. Let me show you guys. I didn't expect that it's going to be smaller. I mean, when I was looking at this on Shopee, I thought it was going to be a bit bigger, but it's actually a lot smaller. This is the shade 08. It's called Bronze. I got this because I'm a fan of liquid eyeshadows. I can just go ahead and apply this on my eyelids when I'm in a hurry, and it's just it will just give me a nice wash of color. Oh my gosh. I also got the shade 01, which is a very exciting shade, and this is how it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's very duochrome. It has a pink purple shift to it. Let me show you guys. It's duochrome, and it has a pink, blue, green shift to it, purple. So there's just so many colors going on. It just changes color depending on the angle and the lighting. So that is why I'm so into duochrome products. I got the iMAGIC Professional Cosmetics 12 Colors Face and Body Paint. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. The reason why I got this is because you know when you travel, you need to bring a lot of different lipstick colors. And I got this because I'm going to use this as a lip palette. This is actually the same brand as my iMAGIC Flash palette. This one, I raved about this Flash palette because it's a dupe for the Makeup Forever Flash palette, and a lot of people said that they have exactly the same ingredients, the same formula and effect. So yeah, so I really like this one. I already did a review on this. The great thing about this is that it's perfect for traveling. You can create and customize your own lip color. So if you're traveling, if you just want a red color, if you want a nude, if you want a bright color, so you can go ahead and try different looks with this. A lot of these look very nice and wearable already on its own, but I feel like I can create more colors using this palette. So I'm really excited to use this. The last product that I got is the Pop Feel High Definition Concealer, and I actually swatched this and I really like the quality. I tried to swatch this on my hand and it just didn't give me coverage. It's slightly sticky as well. So I don't know if you guys want me to do a separate review on this, let me know. But I probably will because I do reviews for almost all of my new makeup products. So if you guys want, just let me know. So that is it for my beauty haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!